As you can see, we have a Mikrotik router with Ether 1 port already configured to connect to the Internet. In this video, we will focus on creating two independent LAN networks, LAN 11 and LAN 12, through Ether 3 and Ether 5 ports. Step 1. Set up names for the interfaces. Naming interfaces in Mikrotik not only makes management easier, but also reduces errors and speeds up troubleshooting. Make this a habit to keep your system more professional. Step 2. Configure IP addresses for the interfaces. Now, we will fully configure the IP address for LAN 11 on the Ethernet 3 interface. The IP address of Ethernet 3 on Mikrotik will serve as the gateway. Next, we will fully configure the IP address for LAN 12 on the Ethernet 5 interface. The IP address of Ethernet 5 on Mikrotik will serve as the gateway. When we configure IP addresses for Ethernet interfaces on Mikrotik, LAN networks are automatically routed without any additional configuration. This means that devices in different LAN networks can communicate with each other immediately, without requiring further setup. Step 3. Configure routing for LAN 11 and LAN 12 to access the Internet. The selected chain is SRC NAT. The selected out interface is Ethernet 1, which is directly connected to the Internet. Next, move to the Action tab to configure the rules action. That's it! At this point, computers in both LAN networks can now communicate with each other and access the Internet. Wishing you success. See you in the next video. Goodbye.